Hey everybody, my name is Nathaniel Dodson and I run the Covenanter monthly pamphlet program over at covenanter.org/pamphlets. You can sign up over there for just $10 a month to receive your very own brand new pamphlet each and every month delivered straight to your mailbox. Now for this month, that is October of 2017, I've got 2 lectures on Reformation principles by Andrew Symington. To give you an idea of what can be found within this pamphlet, let me read you here an excerpt from the back cover. Reformation represents a high watermark of reform. It is a litmus test for Presbyterian orthodoxy. It was an achievement of grand proportions in the nation of Scotland. Its breadth means it effectively touched many doctrines while pushing its reforms in church and nation. If any principle stands at the center of the agenda of the Second Reformation, it must be that of the headship of Christ and its application in the realm of both church and state. In the first lecture, Andrew Symington explains the origins and meaning of the Second Reformation. He explains its importance to the Church of Scotland and its relevance to all of Christendom. He speaks of the sacrifice of the martyrs and the need for testimony bearing, which he well understood made the Reformed Presbyterian Church necessary. In his second lecture, Symington takes up the central concern for the headship of Christ and the question of how it applies to the civil state. He discusses Christ's relation to the nations and the obligation of nations to Christ. He explains why national establishments are not to be viewed as something alien to the concept of Christianity, nor are they to be construed as something necessarily hostile to the spiritual independence of the church. He addresses the serious aberrations of Erastianism and popery while defending the rightness and goodness of national establishments. Moreover, he addresses the issue of ministerial support in conjunction with such establishments. In this lecture, Symington indicates his belief that the principles of the Second Reformation, generally speaking, will be those taken up and enshrined in the nations during the millennial glory. So there you have it, folks. 2 lectures on Reformation principles by Andrew Symington. You can head over and pick up a copy for yourself, covenanter.org/pamphlets. Thank you so much for watching.